Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been sparking debates for decades: the future of artificial intelligence and how it will impact humanity. Will AI become our partner or our rival? Buckle up, because we're about to explore the exciting and sometimes scary possibilities. Let's start with where we are now. AI is rapidly transforming our world. From facial recognition on your phone to self driving cars, AI is automating tasks and making complex decisions. AI strengths and weaknesses. So, what makes AI so powerful? Speed and accuracy. AI can analyze massive amounts of data in seconds, identifying patterns humans might miss. 24/7. Work ethic. Machines don't get tired. AI can perform tasks tirelessly, increasing efficiency. No emotions. AI makes decisions based on logic, avoiding human biases. But AI isn't perfect. Limited creativity. AI struggles with tasks requiring imagination or out-of-the-box thinking. Lack of common sense. AI systems can make illogical decisions in unexpected situations. Job displacement. As AI automates tasks, some jobs may disappear. The collaboration advantage. Here's the exciting part. AI and humans can be a dream team. Humans bring creativity, social skills, and ethical judgment to the table, while AI handles data analysis and repetitive tasks. Imagine doctors using AI for diagnoses while applying their expertise to patient care. The challenge of bias. However, there's a dark side to consider. AI systems can inherit biases from the data they're trained on. This can lead to unfair outcomes, like biased hiring algorithms. We need to be vigilant about creating ethical AI that reflects our values. The race for superintelligence. Now, let's talk about the future. Some experts believe AI could one day surpass human intelligence, creating a superintelligence. This could be amazing, solving problems we can't even imagine. However, others worry about superintelligence becoming uncontrollable, posing an existential threat. Is AI a threat? Should we be scared? Not necessarily. The future of AI depends on us. We need to develop AI responsibly, with clear guidelines and safety measures in place. AI for good. Let's explore some ways AI can improve our lives. Insert video clips. Cut in. Climate change. AI can analyze data to predict weather patterns and optimize energy use. Healthcare. AI can analyze medical images for early disease detection and personalized treatment plans. Space exploration. AI can assist with complex calculations and robotic missions. The human factor. Despite AI's advancements, there are things machines simply can't do. Humans are essential for insert infographic on screen. Leadership. Motivating and inspiring others requires empathy and emotional intelligence, which AI lacks. Social connection. Humans crave social interaction and building meaningful relationships. Ethical decisions. AI may follow logic, but complex ethical dilemmas require human judgment. The future. We choose. The future of AI is not predetermined. It depends on the choices we make today. We need to invest in AI research with a focus on human well-being and ethical considerations. Let's take a moment to answer some common questions about AI. Insert pre-recorded Q&A segment. Consider audience questions submitted in comments. Will AI take over my job? While some jobs may be automated, new opportunities will arise. Focus on developing skills that complement AI, like critical thinking and communication. Can AI become sentient? We don't know yet. Sentience is a complex concept, and current AI doesn't exhibit it. The dark side of AI. We covered the positive aspects, but AI can also be misused. Let's discuss some potential dangers. Autonomous weapons. AI-powered weapons that can choose targets raise serious ethical concerns. Mass surveillance. AI could be used for constant monitoring by governments or corporations, infringing on privacy. The digital divide. Unequal access to AI could exacerbate existing social inequalities. Regulation and oversight. To mitigate these risks, we need regulations and oversight on AI development. This includes transparency. Understanding how AI systems work is crucial for identifying and fixing biases. Accountability. There needs to be a clear chain of responsibility for AI decisions, especially in critical areas. Global cooperation. The challenges and benefits of AI are global. International collaboration is essential. The human touch. Remember, AI is a tool. Just like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. The human factor makes all the difference. We need to ensure AI development focuses on human well-being and societal progress. The future of work. AI will undoubtedly transform the job market. Here's how to prepare. Lifelong learning. The ability to adapt and learn new skills will be critical. Focus on human skills. Develop your creativity, communication, and problem-solving abilities. Embrace AI as a partner. See AI as a tool to enhance your work, not replace you. AI for everyone. AI shouldn't be limited to a select few. We need to promote AI education. Make AI concepts accessible to everyone, fostering understanding and trust. Bridge the digital divide. Ensure everyone has access to the technology and training needed to thrive in the AI age. Invest in AI for social good. Support AI projects that address global challenges like poverty and climate change. The future is now. The future of AI is already unfolding. It's not about humans versus machines, but about humans and machines working together. By approaching AI development responsibly and ethically, we can create a future where AI amplifies human potential and benefits all of humanity. What are your thoughts on the future of AI? Share your ideas and join the conversation in the comments below. Let's work together to shape a future where AI empowers us all. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech discussions. Until next time.